Hi, hello, beautiful doll faces. Today we have the Ipsy Glam Bag X February 2021 spoilers. Now, this video contains subscription box spoilers. This video is educate on spoilers and product information. We have some juicy Ipsy details to discuss with you guys. We have the Ipsy spoilers for the first Ipsy Glam Bag X. Now, this is a new quarterly limited edition add-on that you can add on to your Ipsy subscription. Now, the first Ipsy Glam Bag X will be in February. Now, the full details from Ipsy is right here, guys. We're going to discuss it all. So the all-new Glam Bag X is a quarterly limited edition upgrade to your monthly Ipsy membership. Now, think of it as an all-access pass like the hottest launches they have, all the new products. Now, your Glam Bag X includes 7 to 8 full-size products, and it's up to like $350 in value. Now, it includes dibs on, like exclusive product drops that you won't find anywhere else. That's what Ipsy says. And, every limited edition of Glam Bag X is got curated by a different celebrity and all this stuff, so they're spicing it up. They're hyping it up a lot for us. So he's the artist behind some of the Hollywood's gaudiest products and all this. So if you've already been wondering how you can get your hands on the Glam Bag X, maybe you've already heard about it. I didn't hear about it until I started creating this video, and I'm like, there's a new subscription. Now, this video is going to be a lot longer than I really like, so I am going to skim over it for you guys. If you want to pause the video, read, and go on at your own pace, go for it. But what can you expect for your first Ipsy Glam Bag X? Well, it's going to ship, the very first box will ship February 2021. So it will feature 7 to 8 full-size products of the hottest brands. Quantities are limited, guys. And it's a new Glam Bag X, and it will drop February, May, August, and November. During those months, your Glam Bag X replaces your usual monthly bag. Now, if you have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, guess what? It's going to replace the Glam Bag Plus. So it is valued up to $350, and for additional $43 shipment for the Glam Bag members. And if you have the Glam Bag Plus, it is $30 extra shipment. You do pay those fees. Now, during each month upgrade, you'll be able to build your perfect Glam Bag X during the ultimate personalization starting on the 2nd at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So here's how it works. Make sure you write that date down. You want to be there because quantities are limited, guys. So you'll handpick 3 or more full-size products, and you'll have first, they're saying it's first one of a kind new products that launches, and it's only going to be in this Glam Bag X. So you want to, be there. They're hyping it up. Like I said before, they're hyping this up. Is it going to be good? We don't know. We know how the Ultimate was when they first released it, so I don't know, guys. Now, once you complete the personalization and everything, I have it on the screen and walks you straight through how to do it. So I am giving you updates on the screen right now. You can pause the video, read it, and I'll give you more details on exactly how to sign up. If you're not familiar with how to sign up with Ipsy, maybe you're a new member to Ipsy and you want to sign up for the very first time, I have everything here, right here. I have all the information. Just pause it, read it at your own pace, because some of you guys are reoccurring subscribers and you already know about Ipsy. So I don't want to waste your all's time. New members, just read, update it, and read the comments, because I'm sure everybody's going to be talking in the comments about the Glam Bag X. What to expect? I don't know. So while I'm giving you all a little update on the screen, like I said, feel free to pause the video and read it at your own pace. You know how we used to do the spoilers from the very beginning here. That's how I prefer to do it. But I got to be here talking to you guys now. So anyway, how I feel about the Glam Bag X, I feel like it's going to be different. I think it's going to be just like how they launched the Glam Bag Ultimate, and it was a huge fail in the beginning, and then over time they're going to improve it, So I just don't know, guys. Comment below, let me know what you're thinking right now. Now, the Glam Bag X is only available to members with a monthly Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus plan. The Glam Bag X is quarterly limited edition upgrades that include 7 to 8 full-size products. 3 you get to choose yourself. So it's a good deal, I guess. And they're saying it values over $350. So, and you do have to pay, again, guys, it's an additional $43 if you have the Glam Bag a month. And I don't know if it's a month, actually, or it's just a month that they ship. I think let me correct myself. It is not a month. It is a month that they ship it. That's what I'm saying. Now, when will Glam Bag X ship? Okay, now it's going to ship 4 times per year. Now, if you're not already updated, they are ending the Glam Bag Ultimate, and they're replacing the Glam Bag Ultimate with the Glam Bag X. The Glam Bag X ships every 3 months. In February, May, August, and November. And again, this is just like repeat information just to get it to you guys so you'll know exactly what you're getting yourself into if you get the Glam Bag X. And the Glam Bag X, it ships shortly after your build. Now, Ipsy was supposed to be billing everybody the 1st of the month, and I started getting billed like the 30th and 31st of the month. And sometimes I was like, what's going on? What are you charging me before? Maybe I don't have the money in there when you're supposed, you know? That's just a big issue I had, that they was not pulling the money out on the day that they said they was going to. Now, how are the products going to be selected for you? That's probably a big question you have. Well, right here I got you covered. Your products for the Glam Bag X include 7 to 8 full-size products. And I got everything here on the screen. I mean, it's the full details, but let's just jump right into this. They're saying it's going to be brand new products that you've not experienced before. They're saying that it's hot, new, exclusive products. How many times have we heard that? The Glam Bag Ultimate, they hyped it up so much and said that about the Glam Bag Ultimate. And then we've been noticing that in the Glam Bag Plus, Glam Bag, regular Glam Bag, and Glam Bag Ultimate, they all had the same products, just switched around. And I'm hoping this is for real this time, that it's actually products that's never been seen before, and it's exclusive products. Hopefully, come on Ipsy, get your stuff together. So during the Glam Bag X months, you'll get to choose 3 of your full-size products. And again, guys, make sure the 2nd of every month you are ready to pick your products, because quantities are limited. Now, the first Glam Bag X will be available in February, like I've already told you guys. Now, we have a sneak peek of some of the spoilers that you can expect. I have them right here on the screen. These are our first spoilers for February's Glam Bag X. We have 2 spoolers, and it's an OR product, 1 OR. So again, they're replacing the Glam Bag Ultimate with the Glam Bag X. Everybody was getting the Glam Bag Ultimate and every month, but now they're making a quarterly subscription for the Glam Bag X. So make sure you're fully aware the Glam Bag Ultimate is ending. It is ending. So what do you think? Comment below. Let me know. I want to hear your guys' opinions. Now, you do know I do giveaways. I do giveaways on this channel, my Instagram, and Facebook. Make sure you head over to my Dollface Squad. I have all the links down below. Follow me on Instagram. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers right here on YouTube, I'm going to be giving away Sephora gift cards. I want to give you guys Sephora gift cards left and right. Help me out, get me to 5,000 subscribers, and I will be giving away Sephora gift cards. Again, right here's my Dollface Squad. It is on Facebook. I have a link down below. I just done a Vegancuts sample giveaway. I'm going to be giving away all kinds of stuff. So make sure you head over. Just join. It's free to join. Why not? You can win some free stuff. Not to mention, I released some spoilers over there for you guys too. So join the Dollface Squad right on Facebook. Make sure you give these videos a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and check out my most recent video. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye.